How to fix music failed to play tracks error in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and find music app and click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of music app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store. Now search here Power Amp and install this Power Amp app. After install this app, then manage it in your device. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For start your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.